Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. Hands down, one of my favorite Dollar General coupon deals to teach people how to coupon is definitely cleaning supplies. They get so expensive and we do not pay full price here at LoveLiveSave. So I put together these awesome cleaning supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, August 26th at Dollar General. But before I get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 couponing deal videos every day of the week because I want you to save as much money as you possibly can. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. If you enjoy the deals, please do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up like button. It makes a huge difference for my channel and it is greatly appreciated. I am having so much fun seeing your responses to these questions. So for tonight's question, I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know, how much do you prefer to spend on couponing each week? Do you set a spending limit or challenge yourself to get as many couponing deals as you possibly can? I'm really curious about this one. So let me know down below in the comments. And as always, please share this video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon and save money so I can get these deals out to them too and help them. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my new 100-page couponing planner, check out the comments down below and the video description. You'll find the link over to Amazon where you can purchase it. It is a super fun project that I've been working on for the last couple years, and I'm so excited that it's finally available. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out and let me know what you think. So let's get started with these deals because I'm super excited. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I love me some clean supplies couponing deals. It just makes my deep cleaning process in my house so much infinitely more fun and easy. So for this first deal, grab 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Freak sprays, 3 of the single count packs of Febreze small spaces, and 105 count box of Gain dryer sheets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.25 for an easy 50% off savings. Oh, and I can't remember if I mentioned, always plus tax. Now, funny story, I actually went to Dollar General today to do a Purex detergent couponing deal for myself because it is one of my favorite brands and I am down to my very last big bottle. So I went there, they were actually out, but on a positive note, I discovered that they are having when you spend $15 or more on Arm & Hammer detergent, you get a $5 instant savings. So that's what I did. And unfortunately, I didn't know about it ahead of time, or I would have worked it into one of my deals this week. So if you are a fan of Arm & Hammer, make sure you check it out. But for this next deal, grab one of the big bottles of Purex detergent, 1 small bag of Tide Pods, and 1 of the larger size bags of Tide Power Pods. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.95 plus tax for a 49% off savings. Now just think of how many loads of laundry that is. That is a lot of laundry if we only had someone to do the laundry for us, right? Right. I don't know if it's super obvious, but this is hands down one of my favorite deals this week. It's got a little bit higher of an out-of-pocket, but this is a lot of Mr. Clean products, and it is one of my favorite multi-surface cleaners I use around my house. I use it on everything from around our house to all of my son's outside play toys. So I definitely want to stock up. So grab 3 bottles of the Mr. Clean Cleaners and 3 bottles of the Mr. Clean Freak sprays. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $16 even plus tax for a 44% off savings. Now again, that's a lot of Mr. Clean for such a relatively low out of pocket. Remember, each one of those Mr. Clean Freak sprays retails for $6 a piece. If you're looking to stock up on a variety of laundry cleaning supplies, this is a great deal for you to do. Grab one of the large bags of Tide Pods, 1 $6.95 bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh, 1 can of Febreze Air Effects. You can also substitute this for the Febreze Small Spaces, but for this deal I just did the Febreze Air Effects because I like to do a variety. And then grab 1 small bottle of Gain laundry detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.65 plus tax for a easy 55% off. I love these kind of deals. One of my main priorities for my own personal stockpile of things that I want to work on to coupon over the next couple weeks is hands down the disinfecting products, especially the Lysol and Clorox disinfecting wipes. And luckily we got some great coupons for them. I'm just telling you, the cooties are coming and I want to be prepared because I'm not being sick every other week like in the last couple school years. I don't have time for it. I'm not doing it. So for this next deal, grab 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Cleaners, 2 canisters of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, the 35 count size, 1 bottle of Mr. Clean Clean Freak Spray, and 1 of those $6.95 bottles of Downy Rinse and Refresh. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.95 plus tax, for a 47% off savings. I'm telling you, sometimes these deals are serious tongue twisters for me, but I decided a while ago I'm including all the bloopers because then you guys get to see how it really is for me. Now, when I'm doing a serious deep clean in my house and I do the carpet scrubbing, right, which I just did in my house just about a week or so ago, I wait several days for it to fully, completely dry, and I always come back with some of this Arm & Hammer Carpet Odor Eliminator, specifically this box with the Pet Fresh and the little doggy on the front, because this stuff smells amazing. My house will end up smelling so good, and I'm actually completely out of it. I got another brand of it, when was that? About a week ago. I'm super excited to try it, and if it works out, I'll let you know about it, but I definitely need to replenish some of my carpet odor eliminator. So for this deal, grab 2 boxes of that Arm & Hammer Carpet Odor Eliminator, 1 single count pack of the Febreze Small Spaces, 2 boxes of this Crest toothpaste for $3.35 each, 1 small bag of Tide Pods, and 1 pack of my favorite filler item this week, the Bic Soleil razors. It makes such a great low out of pocket. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? So after all coupons with this deal, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.70 plus tax for a 57% off savings. Now remember, we didn't even have a coupon for the $4 worth of the Carpet Odor Eliminator, so that's a pretty good deal. Over the last couple weeks, I've tried to make an A+ effort to make sure I'm including some dishwasher tablet cleaning supplies deals because I used to do them all the time. We used to get $2 and $3 coupons all the time, and then they just came to a screeching halt. But unfortunately, that doesn't mean we still don't need the Cascade and the Finish products, right? Of course we do. So for this deal, grab 1 bottle of the Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, which of course I'm completely out of, 1 bag of the Cascade Platinum Plus dishwasher tablets, 1 canister of the Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 can of the Lysol Air Sanitizer. I'm really excited to try this one. I've never tried it before, but during cootie season, I'll try all the disinfecting products. And then grab 105 count box of the Gain dryer sheets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.20 plus tax for a 56% off savings. If you're getting low on your Tide Pods, you're going to love this deal. Grab 1 of the large bags of the Tide Power Pods, 1 small bag of the regular Tide Pods, 1 medium-sized bottle of the Gain Fireworks, and 1 canister of the Lysol disinfecting wipes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.20 plus tax for a 54% off savings. I love deals that have at least a 50% or more savings. My favorite kind of deals. I'm calling this next deal the anti-cooties, I have no time for these preschool cooties deal. I am definitely doing this one. Grab 2 canisters of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, 1 canister of the Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 bottle of my go-to favorite Lysol laundry sanitizer. I love this stuff. 1 small bag of Tide Pods, and 1 of the small bags of Gain Flings too. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15 even plus tax for a 47% off savings. Now, if you're like me and you've been doing the deep cleaning around your house because the kiddos are going back to school and you don't want to spend your time cleaning the house all day long, you are needing to stock up on trash bags. And thankfully, this week we got a great trash bag coupon. I was super excited about it because they are definitely a rare type of coupon. We don't get them very often. So for this next deal, grab 1 bag of the Cascade Platinum Plus dishwasher tablets, 1 box of this specific Glad Force Flex trash bags, 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, and 1 can of Febreze Air Effects. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.35 plus tax for a 53% off savings. Now, if you're looking for even more couponing deals to choose from, make sure you check out the comments down below for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. My Patreon page is where I post my complete couponing deals list from week to week, because often I honestly write so many couponing deals I don't have enough time to put them together in a YouTube deal video as much as I really wish I could. It is a lot of deals. On average, this deals list has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. I believe this week's deals list, which is posted now, has 120. And these are all deals for all the major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking game products, of course, because what is better than a Dollar General game deal? We got cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, toilet paper, paper towels, even diapers, and a cheap out-of-pockets deals list is included. So if you want to level up your couponing, check out the comments down below. I've done all the work for you with these deals. All you have to do is pick whatever deal you want, find the products at the store, clip your coupons, and you are good to go. Now, I also want to mention this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone or a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want, and it makes going to the store super, super easy. So again, if you're interested, make sure you check out the comments, or I will have the information in the video description as well. Thank you so much for watching today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you to save a lot of money for your family this week. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. Show my channel some love. We'd love to have you here. And while you're at it, click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post my 2 couponing deal videos every day, or when I do one of my Couponing After Dark live chats, you'll receive a notification. You'll be one of the first people to know when I post, and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.